Hi guys, David Fuel Exhaust. Another little short video showing you the brackets. I've done a time lapse of me doing these brackets because it'd be pretty boring watching me do all these. But if you come in, I'll just show you how quick and easy it is to form one of these brackets. So we've got this bracket here. These are the ones I've already done. Basically put that on here, form, over here, put it over there, that's done. Grab the camera. Okay, so these are the brackets. These are all the ones I've just done on the time lapse. Okay, obviously these are the round ones. I've got to make oval ones yet, but yeah, that's a bracket day. Thanks for watching.